Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your text color in Microsoft Excel. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here. Alright, I have this simple estimation on here. So let's say you want to change the text color. Let's just say maybe you want to change this text color and again give it a different color. So all you're going to do is just select the cell where the text that you want to change the color in. As you can see, I selected this, right? So now to change that, make sure you're on your home tab and then you have this A right here. So you can click on this and then you have all these color that you can choose from. So if you were to make it yellow, you see you got all these color right there. So you can change the color of your text. So that's how you can change the color. So if you were to click on that, and then as you can see, you have changed the color of your text right there. So yeah, it's really simple. All you have to do, you can do it with whatever, right? Just click on that cell and then choose whatever color that you want to use. As you can see, you have changed it to that. So yeah, that's how you can change your text color in Excel. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.